Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV. Lawan Rashapi Taka Frank Yamaha. Visit Yamaha showroom for big discount and very low down payments only this August. Don't miss out. Contact 96129 51198 or 96129 51298.
Haba Shimantalang, Ban Benrap, Yakijinkali, Giblawanra, Dau MA, Kamau Plang Constituency, Ha Ying Dorbar Tau Ankajila, Halor Kasurok, Kabayday, Ha Mau Plang Constituency, U MA Kanong Tamai Constituency, Ba Charles Pingro, Ulaong Ba Usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kajila, Uba Pej Yaka PWD Roads, Uba Preston Tensong, Ushong Usa Hanong Tamai Constituency, Usumbut Menteri Rang Ba, Uba Sngau Bhalang Dhar, Usa Hanong Tamai Constituency, Nang Tau Menteri Sarkar Uba AL Hek, Usa Hanong Tamai Constituency, Menteri Sarkar Uba Comingwan Ombon, Ru Usa Hanong Tamai Constituency, Markus Marang, Rakam, Marathon Ru Usa Hanong Tamai, Bat Jan Barok Ki Menteri Sarkar, Kishong Kisa Hanong Tamai, Henry Kasurok Pat, Kalong Kabat Sneo, Lat Nyot Tang Kasurok, Nayeng Uba Preston, Shayeng Jong U, Kasurok Kabaha, Uba Charles Pingro, Ula Kerpat Sarkar, Bakan Mangsan Kelur Tengka, Naka Supplementary Grant, Ban Penbhaya Kasurok Hanong Tamai Constituency. Haba jubab yakani Uba Preston Loong Ba Kerman, Ba Haus Namban Wan Barok Nrup Hongot KMLA, Kin Shong Kinsa Hanong Tamai Constituency. Ulaong Ba Sarkar, Kadang Pej Benya Yaki Jingdon Kam, Bat Kan Mang Tengka Ban Maramot Yaki Surok Kibasnio.
The question is about roads. So, and even yesterday, there was a zero-hour notice saying residents cry for repair of crucial roads in Mukaya. So, as I look across the aisle in the Treasury bench, I must want to say a few things which will eventually pertain to roads only. So, I will not be deviating from the principal question. So, we have the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, PWD, who lives in Nong Tamai constituency. We have the Deputy Chief Minister, Master Walang, who also lives in Nong Tamai constituency, has a house there. We have the Honorable Minister of Veterinary Department, Mr. Heck. He also lives in my constituency, and I presume he's my voter too. And even the Honorable Minister, Ma Koming, has a beautiful house in Nong Tamai, in my constituency. Then former present minister, who was then the former MLA of William Nagar, Mr. Marquis, Honorable Minister Marquis was Nong Tamai constituency. So half the cabinet lives there. And the road of Nong Tamai constituency as a whole is in a very dilapidated state, except from the Honorable Deputy Minister's house to my house. No potholes. And also the Honorable member from a former Honorable Speaker from Mairang, also he has some houses in Nong Tamai constituency. The list goes on, sir. Barakam, Honorable Member, also he stays. What's the name? Marthon stays in my constituency. The list is very long, sir. Who else? Let me see. Sir, yesterday in the supplementary demands for grants, a huge amount was passed for the Honorable Ministers. May I know from the Honorable Minister if he will earmark 5 crores from the supplementary grants passed yesterday for the reconstruction of roads in Nong Tamai areas. Thank you.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to thank the Honorable Member from Nong Tamai, Senior Leader Ba Charles Pongro, who has already named one by one the honorable members of this August House. Maybe in the next year we will get all the 60 MLAs sitting within the jurisdiction of his constituency. So, sir, yes, in fact, the intention of the government, the department, sir, as far as Shillong city is concerned, we really wanted to make sure that the all-weather route is in good condition. And in fact, I've already instructed the engineers to go for the detailed estimate as far as recarpeting improvement of the road in Shillong City, and the estimate is being prepared, and I'm very sure once the estimate is put up, we will take it up and we will get necessary sanction, and also not only that, we will implement and we will do the repairing works accordingly, sir.
Yes, Baron Nipton, please.